Hey guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel everybody, and I have built my coffee lake build, and next part of the video you will watch is I've shot it a couple of weeks before, and why I'm not doing my vlogging style videos because it's raining pretty badly in Mumbai, so I'm not able to go outside. So I hope you like this video. Just enjoy it. Hey guys, for these are some components which I am using right now. Some of them are missing, and all of them are selected by me myself. And for the start of the show, it's i5-8400 Coffee Lake processor. It's a 6-core 6-thread processor, and for the motherboard, I am opting for H310 motherboard. And if you want, you can opt for a B360 motherboard also, but it will be a little bit expensive. And for the RAM stick, I am going for Corsair value select 8GB DDR4 memory. It's 2400 megahertz. And for the casing, I am going for a Circle CC821. It's a pretty good cabinet with 3 LED fans included. You can add 2 more, that means it will be 5 in total. And for the storage, it will be 1 TB Western Digital hard disk. And for the power supply, I am going for again the Circle's own power supply. It's something 400 watts. I'm not pretty sure. I will be giving in the down. So let's start the build.